Hey everybody, I had to unclog somebody's drain and I saw, well, I'm sure you've seen one of these in the store. I forget what you call it, but it just sticks down in the drain and you can take the hair and stuff out without using chemicals. This was my second time going down the drain here, so you just stick it in all the way down. Excuse my thumb being in the way, sorry. And look at this, I caught something. So you just yank it out slowly, take it out. Look at all of that hair and soap and dirt and everything. Like I said, no chemicals needed. And the little spurs on the tool there catches the hair and everything as you push it down and pulls it out. Now look at that, all that hair. Okay. So we go down again. Look at this, no chemicals. So you stick it down in there, got a bunch of hair because the water was not moving. It was really clawed. Okay. Take some out. Look at this. We're taking it out. Look at that. Look at all that hair. So it's even more than I thought. Now, normally, I don't know what the chemicals actually do. I know they break down the hair and everything, but it's not good for your septic tank. And they're really harsh chemicals. So if you want to do it this way, you won't have to use a lot of chemicals. Now look at all that hair and whatever else is there. It's like, soap and dirt and whatever else is down in there. Okay, so I went in again. I don't think I caught anything this time. So we go down in here. I'm going to take it out. I got something. I got something. Look at all of that. So this little tool is awesome. Really got the job done. Sorry, I don't remember what you call them exactly. But look at this stuff. All because of the little tool. I had to share this with you. So just after a few tries going up and down, you should be able to unclog whatever's in there, be it hair or soap or whatever, in the bathtub. Look at this mess. That is awesome. But I mean, you should use gloves. Look at all that hair. So it got the job done. That really got the clog out quickly. I didn't have to wait for anything, and you didn't use any harsh chemicals. And then we're gonna see if the water goes down, if it was successful, and we should be good to go. Look at that, right down, no issues at all, no harsh chemicals. You got the job done. You didn't have to wait. Get one of those things. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.